Access to clean water is a truly global problem. It is estimated that about 1.8 billion people at any one time are accessing water that is fecally contaminated. And that problem is particularly pronounced in Vanuatu. The majority of the population in Vanuatu live in rural communities and are very isolated across the 80 islands, but it's also the most disaster-prone country in the world and has a high incidence of natural disasters such as tropical cyclones, which can destroy all the existing infrastructure such as water supplies. The ultimate aim is to develop a sensor technology which will allow communities to assess the safety of their water.
The issue that we've got here is one of the fit between the technology and the community, and any technology that's introduced is going to not only have the impacts that we anticipate, but is also going to have a whole suite of different effects on that community, be it social, be it environmental, be it economic, to do with the way in which it changes people's livelihoods.
Now what we could do is just go into the lab and build the technology, but at the heart of this proposal is the concept that technology developed for people rather than with and by people tends to have very limited impact. So what we're actually going to do in this project is work very closely with the communities and with Oxfam at all stages of that development process.
We've been running a pilot now for 6 months or so, in which we've started the process of talking deeply with the community about their challenges, the issues they face in relation to water, and working towards a specification for the attributes of a future water quality monitoring sensor.
Our research is interested in developing new sensors, and we do that by combining biological molecules with nanoelectronic or nanophotonic devices. And these allow you to then detect specific bacteria with very high sensitivity and very high accuracy. And so what we're going to do is work with the community to look at how this kind of technology will allow them to detect the cleanliness and the quality of their water.
We've just been awarded £1.2 million by the EPSRC under the Global Challenges Research Fund, and this is going to allow us to extend our pilot across Vanuatu. This means not only developing the technology, but also working with the community so that they can develop the decision-making institutions that will enable them to make effective use of the technology, to finance and to maintain it, so that the water quality monitoring technology that we do develop can be sustainably maintained in those communities in the future.